Ramadan is a month of forgiveness. So in the coming 7 days, try to do the same. Search deep in your heart. How many enemies do you have? Do you have enmity and grudges against a brother Muslim? If you do, try to clear it all up. It's difficult, I know. Pick up the phone, call your brother, call your cousin, call your uncle, call your relative, call your friend whom you have not spoken to for 10 years because a silly word he said or you said. And since then, we don't have any communication. In the day of the 15th of Sha'ban, in the authentic hadith, Allah forgives all those who are Muslims except those who associate others with Allah, mushrik or kafir or whatever, non-Muslims, and those who have enmity between them and their brothers. So purify your heart, cleanse your soul. Anyone who you have disagreement with, is he a Muslim? Ya akhi, he's going against the manhaj. He's a wrong school of thought. He does this, he follows Sheikh so-and-so. Ya akhi, Allah made you a judge over these. Who are you to judge me? If he's a Muslim, go to him, reach out to him, say, Ya akhi, I love you for the sake of Allah. We have disagreements, may Allah Azza wa Jal solve them, but I will give you salam, you will give me salam, and we will be brothers, regardless of our differences, as long as he's a Muslim. Don't judge people, because if you do, people will judge you.